Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use the silver fertilizer and grow a garden. So it is this kind of new item. You are just going to apply it to the plant that you want. Now, unfortunately, this only will apply mutation for 2 hours. I don't know why that's the case, but rarely it will apply the mutation to your plants permanently. Now there are some plants that are mutated that has the silver mutation. But it's not applied by the silver fertilizer. Whoops. So yeah, if you want to apply it to your plants anyways, you're just going to select the plant you want to apply it to, for instance, this taco fern, and you're just going to kind of press on the plant. And as you can see, I think it's only applied for it 2 hours, I guess, or it's applying it in 2 hours. I'm still not sure about that, but what I've read is that it's only going to be applied to your plant for only 2 hours, and it's a rare thing that is going to be applied permanently to your plant. So yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.